time to pray. নামাজ পড়ার সময় হচ্ছে কি হবে? জোরে বলো। I pray 5 times. I pray morning prayer. Morning prayer মানে কি? ফজরের নামাজ। I pray afternoon prayer. Sorry, noon prayer. Noon মানে কি? জোহর। Afternoon prayer মানে কি? আসর। Evening prayer মানে কি? মাগরিব। আর night prayer মানে কি? And I pray 5 times. I pray 5 times. Number 1. I do my morning prayer. Number 2. I do my noon prayer. Noon, very good. Next. Prayer. 3. 4. 5. Next. But I pray. But sometimes my friends don't pray. Sometimes my brother doesn't pray. My sister doesn't pray. My father doesn't pray. My mother doesn't pray. So what? I pray. I pray 5 times. 5 times মানে কি? 5 বার। Well, I pray 2 times. I pray 3 times. I pray. But we all should pray. We all should pray. We all should pray 5 times. I must pray. I don't care. Someone prays or not. My brother prays or not. My neighbor prays or not. My sister prays or not. My father prays or not. My mother prays or not. But I don't care. কে বলতে পারবে? Some if my যদি আমার ভাই পড়ে কি না পড়ে কে বলতে পারবে? If my brother
If my brother
prays or not. Or not. If my sister di কে বলতে পারবে?
If my sister
hands only hands. If my sister
pray or not.
Prays or not. Good. Or
If my brother prays or not.
Next.
If my father prays or not.
Josh. Next you.
If my neighbor
Prays or not. But I can request everybody.
But I can request everybody.
I can request everybody. It can be my father. My mother. My sister. My neighbor. My friend's auntie. Uncle. I can request everybody to pray 5 times. Start 1 time. Today 1 time. Tomorrow 2 times. Day after tomorrow 3 times. But I can request everybody. আমি একটা বলি হ্যাঁ I can request my mother. We can give her the হাত তুলো. It's a good exam. Now they'll have a good exam.
I can request my mother.
শুনেছি একটা 2.
I can request my father. I can request my brother. I can request my sister. I can request my sister. I can request my brother.
Everybody.
I can request everybody.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Stop. যাকে জিজ্ঞেস করো তুমি I can request.
I can request everybody.
আর হাত তুলো।
I can request everybody.
অন্য কিছু বলো। I can request my.
I can request my mother. I can request my brother. I can request my sister. I can request my neighbor. I can request my sister.
Good.
I can request my father.
Hello? I can
request my father. I can request everybody.
Okay, I can request myself. আমি নিজেকেও রিকোয়েস্ট করতে পারি। এবারে প্রশ্নটা শিখে চলে যাব। Do you pray? বলো।
Do you pray?
Do you pray?
Do you pray?
একজন যদি তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করো, Do you pray?
Do you pray?
Do you pray?
Do you pray?
No, I don't pray.
Do you pray? Yes, I pray. Yes, I pray. Yes, I pray. Yes, I pray. Yes, I pray.
নামাজ না পড়লে কি বলবা? I want to pray. আমি পড়তে চাই।
I
want to pray. 5 times. 5 times. I will pray. All my life. I don't care if anyone prays or not.